Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna help you to log in to Intuit Payroll account. First, let me tell you about Intuit Payroll service. Intuit Payroll is a QuickBook payroll which helps you to manage payroll tasks. After you enter employee payroll data into the system enables you to print paycheck instantly to your own laser printer or direct deposit. This company also handles payroll tax requirements such as filing and payment. Let's get started with opening up any web browser on your PC. Now on your search bar, type iopintuit.com and press enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, you will be directed to its login interface. Here, you have to enter your user ID and your password. Now let's type user ID and password correctly. If you can't remember your user ID and your password, you have to scroll down a little bit and click on I forgot my user ID or password link, and from there you can recover your user ID and your password. And if you are using public device, then uncheck this button, and after typing all the details correctly, tap on sign in button. I hope this video helped you to sign into your account. If you like this video, give the thumbs up and subscribe our channel. I will be back with more videos. Thank you for watching.